Welcome to Camp EZ RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
This is the 2026 Forest River Rockwood GEOPRO 13LE, a compact, lightweight trailer that's easy to tow and simple to set up. On the exterior, you have a small footprint with convenient storage compartments, giving you spots to tuck away gear, hoses, and camping essentials so the outside stays neat and organized. Stepping inside, the first thing you see is the bed up front. Just beyond that are the bunk beds, providing dedicated sleeping space for kids or guests in a very small footprint. Next is the kitchen counter area, which includes a fridge, cabinet space, a microwave, a sink, and a stovetop, so you can keep food cold and cook simple meals on the road. More cabinet space above the counter lets you store dishes, cups, and pantry items within easy reach. In the rear is the restroom, with a toilet, a mirror above, and a shower, giving you everything you need to clean up and get ready for the day without leaving the comfort of your trailer.
Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.